Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Polar. Now in today's session we discuss about the Wade's rule for transition metal clusters. Okay, this is our 8th question of 100 plus question series. The question is from CSR NET December 2014. Our question is cobalt 4 carbonyl 12 adapt the structure. Option 1 closure structure, option 2 needle structure, option 3 arachno structure, and option 4 hypostructures. Okay, such type of example asked in previous NET and GATE exams. Then how to solve these questions within a 20 seconds. Now let's see the trick for Wade's rule for transition metal clusters. Okay, Wade's rule for transition metal cluster. In step 1, count total number of electron of metal clusters. In step 2, calculate polyhedral electron count, that is a polyhedral electron count which is equal to total electron count minus 12n, that is a PEC is equal to TEC minus 12n, where n is equal to number of metal present in the cluster. Okay, then step 3, divide polyhedral electron count by 2. Okay, then in step 4, if polyhedral electron count, that is a PEC divided by 2 which is equal to n minus 1, where n is the number of metal present in the metal clusters, then the structure is supercloso. For n, the structure is hypercloso. For n plus 1, closo. For n plus 2, neurostructure. For n plus 3, arachno structure. For n plus 4, hypostructure. For n plus 5, cladostructures. Now let's see our example. Cobalt 4 carbonyl 12 adapt the structure, that is a closo, nudo, arachno or hypo, that is this 4 option is given. Okay, now let's see the solution for this question. Solution is total electron count. First we have to determine the total electron count. Okay, cobalt 4 carbonyl 12, cobalt having the 9 valence electron, each cobalt having the 9 valence electron. So total number of cobalt is 4. So 9 into 4 is equal to 36 valence electron, plus carbonyl is the neutral 2 electron donor ligand. So each carbonyl donate 2 electrons to the metal clusters. Okay, now in this example 12 carbonyl is present, so 12 into 2, that is a 24 electrons. So 36 plus 24 is equal to 60. Okay, so polyhedral electron count which is equal to total electron count minus 12n, where n is the number of metal present in the cluster, which is equal to 60 minus 12 into 4. Okay, which is equal to 60 minus 48, that is a 12. Then we have to remind the polyhedral electron count divided by 2, which is equal to 12 upon 2, that is a 6. So put 6 in the format of n plus the remaining value. Okay, now that is n is the number of metals, so 4 plus 2, that is n plus 2. The structure is nido structure. Okay, now these are the some practice examples. Okay, while solving these questions, while solving the question number 2 and 3, if negative charge present on the complex sign, then add that number of electrons to the total electron count, and if positive charge present on the complex sign, then subtract that number of electrons from the total electron count. And also remember one thing is that if carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, such element present in the metal clusters, then add total valence electron of that element, that is for carbon 4 valence electron, for nitrogen 5 valence electron, for hydrogen 1 valence electron. Okay, this is all about the Wade's rule for transition clusters. Thank you for watching video.